Brabus 800 here, basically 800 horsepower S-Class with amazing blacked out grille and carbon fiber bumper spoiler right down here from the standard standard S-Class. So this is the interior, absolutely incredible. White and blue stitching throughout the black leather, again black Alcantara headliner, beautiful seats with Brabus pillows in the back. Carbon fiber diffuser, beautiful Brabus exhausts, and again the same wheels as on the Maybach. Let's take a closer look from the left side. Alright, as you can see, blue details all around the car, and on the steering wheel, on the all leather steering wheel, the leather is actually even there, which is incredible. The leather is all around the dashboard, even down there. There basically isn't a surface that is not either leather, carpet, Alcantara, or chrome premium plastic, or chrome or metal or premium plastic, gloss black plastic. I love these carbon fiber vents right here. Alright, so